So with the elections, the last phase that is taking place, and with few hours to go now for the exit polls for the Lok Sabha elections to be released, the Congress party has decided and has announced that it would be boycotting all exit poll debates. Congress party spokesperson Pawan Khera said the party has decided not to indulge in speculation and slugfest before the actual results come out, and that is on the 4th of June. Congress's decision to skip the exit poll debates has provided fresh ammo to the BJP as far as the 7th phase of elections that are underway, saying that it seems that the Congress party has already accepted defeat even before the elections are over. First, listen into the Congress's reason for boycotting the exit polls.
What's the point of a speculation? Why should we indulge in meaningless speculation, slugfest, just to increase the TRPs of channels, or to there are some forces which are involved in betting? Why should we be a part of that? Everybody knows who he or she has voted for. Parties will get to know how many votes they got on the 4th. Why should we speculate?
Now, leading the charge for the BJP is Union Home Minister, who took a jibe at the Congress, saying the party has come to know of its huge defeat. Therefore, they were unable to face the media. Even BJP National President JP Nadda has alleged that Congress's decision not to participate in exit polls on the eve of Phase 7 of polling is an unequivocal confirmation that the Congress has conceded defeat even before the elections are over.
कि कांग्रेस पार्टी कल एग्जिट पोल पर डिस्कशन का बहिष्कार कर रही है। कई समय से कांग्रेस पार्टी डिनायल मोड में आ रही है। ये पूरा इलेक्शन एक कैंपेन करते रहे कि हमारा बहुमत आने जा रहा है, बहुमत आने जा रहा है। अब उनको भी स्थिति मालूम है कि कल के चुनाव के बाद आने वाले एग्जिट पोल में इनकी प्रचंड हार होने वाली है, मगर इस बार हार के कारण एक्सप्लेन न कर पाने की स्थिति में वो इसका बहिष्कार कर रहे हैं। और कांग्रेस पार्टी वैसे भी जब से राहुल गांधी मुख्य व्यवस्था में आए हैं कांग्रेस पार्टी की डिनायल मोड में जी रही है।
Congress is only trying to create a false narrative to encounter the defeat that they're going to face on the 4th of June.
अब तो एग्जैक्ट पोल 4 जून को आना है, परंतु 4 जून से पहले 1 जून को एग्जिट पोल की डिबेट से ही कांग्रेस पार्टी ने एग्जिट करने का जो निर्णय लिया है, इसका मतलब साफ है कि उनको पता है कि जनता उन्हें फिर से एग्जिट का रास्ता दिखा रही है और पता नहीं 4 जून को एग्जैक्ट पोल जब आ जाएंगे तब कितने नेता उनके देश से एग्जिट कर जाएंगे, जो आमूमन करते हैं।
कबूतर अगर बिल्ली को देख के आंख बंद करेगा तो जान बचने वाली नहीं है उसकी। इसलिए अगर इनको अभी से ही प्रयास कर लेंगे हार का एग्जिट पोल में, तो 4 तारीख को बड़ा झटका जो उनको लगने वाला है 400 पार का, वो झटका नहीं लगेगा। इसलिए लोकतंत्र में मीडिया एक चौथा स्तंभ है। इनको वही आदत पड़ी है आपातकाल की बंदिशें लगाना, धमकाना, मुझे लगा चलने वाला नहीं है। और एग्जिट पोल भी जो बता रहा है और आने वाला 4 तारीख को बताएगा।
While Mohit is with us right now. Mohit, good afternoon. What does it mean as the Congress party has decided? Of course, this kind of a decision hasn't been taken by the Congress in previous elections. Why now?
Well, yes, in fact, and that is the question that the BJP is asking from the Congress party, that why exactly Congress party is not taking part in exit poll. We have seen the reactions coming in from Home Minister Amit Shah. We have seen reaction coming in from BJP President JP Nadda. They're all saying that this is the mindset of the Congress party, that they don't want to take part in debates. It's an emergency mindset of the Congress party. And because Congress party knows that what will be shown in exit poll will be replicated on 4th of June, and that is that the BJP is forming the government again under NDA. That is why the Congress party is not taking part, and these are just the diversionary tactics. Now, the BJP also says that if Congress believes that not taking part in exit poll will ensure that that they will win the election, that will not take place, because exit polls will be a mirror on what will happen on 4th of June. Well, the Congress party have clearly stated that they do not want to be the part of the slugfest just for the TRP of the media channel, because the Congress party say that everyone knows who exactly they have voted for. But you see, exit exit polls are being done when the polling is over. It's about the survey that is being done by various agencies, and in the evening today we'll be showing the exit poll too, and that is why the questions are being raised that why the Congress party is not taking part. But the Congress stand is clear that they do not want to indulge into any speculation, and in fact they will participate in debates on 4th of June only. While the BJP is sitting out at the Congress party saying that the Congress party knows that they are losing the elections. Congress party knows that on 4th of June BJP will be forming the government, and that is why they're afraid to take part in exit polls. So clearly, a whole lot of politics is being played on this particular issue. We have to wait and watch what exactly will pan out when the exit polls will be out by 6 p.m. today evening.
Right, but Mohit, even suggesting that, saying that we are confident of a win is speculation. And there has already been a lot of slugfest that has been taking place right with the onset of the elections. So is the Congress party contradicting its own stand that it seems to be taking on the day when the last phase of polling is underway? All right, Rohan Gupta of the BJP is with us. Sir, good morning, good afternoon to you rather. What do you believe is the Congress party stand now, sir? Because they haven't done that in previous elections. This time around, they've decided to boycott the exit polls, sir. Mr. Gupta?
Can you hear me? Yeah.
Yes, sir. What is your take, sir?
I think it is somewhere it is acceptance of defeat, because there is no logic of boycotting the exit poll debates. It doesn't make any sense. When Karnataka elections happened, when exit polls were giving Congress party large number of seats, I think they participated there. So I think it's a clear-cut indication that somewhere party has realized that they are going to be defeated, and in order to ensure that for next 3-4 days the sentiment is not spoiled further, they are staying away from debates. But I don't think so. That's a good strategy, because it clearly shows your frustration, the negativity, and the clarity of thought that yes, these elections they are losing, and that is the reason they are boycotting these debates.
But that's the reason, and possibly the Congress party hasn't done that kind of an action in the past, has it, Mr. Gupta, to boycott the exit polls? They say that they don't believe in speculations, but even when they seems to be suggesting that they are winning this time is also a speculation.
Absolutely right. And in fact, last time, if you remember, in 2019, they boycotted debates after, the results were declared. This is really surprise to me that how can you boycott debates on the day of exit poll? Doesn't make any sense, right? There are many debates in last 3-4 months where Congresses participate in all the opinion poll debates. Then what is the logic of not participating in exit poll debate? I think doesn't make sense. Exit polls are also part of our robust system, and obviously it shows the trend of elections where they are going. And I think by saying that we are not going to participate, somewhere the defeat has been considered.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Gupta, for joining us here on the broadcast. Speaking to Times Now is Mr. Rohan Gupta. Of course, Mohit, we heard that BJP reaction coming in. Let me also go across to Mr. Pramod Tiwari ji. Pramod Tiwari ji, sir, good afternoon to you. बीजेपी का ये कहना है, क्योंकि आपकी तरफ से ये निर्णय लिया गया है कि एग्जिट पोल्स में कांग्रेस पार्टी का कोई स्पोक्सपर्सन सामने नहीं आएगा, तो इसका मतलब क्या ये समझा जाए कि पहले से ही चुनाव रिजल्ट से हार मान चुकी है कांग्रेस?
मैं सिर्फ इतना कह सकता हूं कि ये निर्णय बहुत सोच समझ कर लिया गया है, और उसके पीछे उद्देश्य यही है कि इस तरह के, जो मैं सबकी बात नहीं कर रहा हूं, पर कुछ एजेंसी ने इसे व्यापार बना लिया है, और वो जिस तरीके से अनरियलिस्टिक, ट्रुथ से बहुत दूर, कोई पहली बार नहीं, बहुत से आए हैं और वो साबित भी हुए हैं कि उनके गलत थे। ये कई बार साबित भी हुआ है, तो इसलिए हमने इसका बहिष्कार किया। इसमें बहुत ज्यादा डीप जाने की जरूरत नहीं है।
जी, प्रमोद तिवारी जी, क्योंकि ऐसा पहला बार ऐसा देखा जा रहा है कांग्रेस पार्टी की तरफ से, अगर एग्जिट पोल्स को अगर बॉयकॉट करने का जो ये निर्णय लिया गया है तो पहले नहीं लिया गया। हमने पवन खेरा जी को सुना, उनकी तरफ से कहा जा रहा है कि स्पेकुलेशन हम नहीं करना चाहते, लेकिन अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी ये कह रही है कि वो इस दफा जीत रही है और इंडिया ब्लॉक की सरकार बनेगी, प्रमोद तिवारी जी, वो भी तो स्पेकुलेशन हुई ना सर?
वो हमारे कार्यकर्ताओं का फीडबैक है, हमारे जो पार्लियामेंट में हमारी यूनिट है उसका फीडबैक है, जिसके आधार पर हम कह रहे हैं कि हम जीत जाएंगे और सरकार बनाएंगे। स्पेकुलेशन आधारित नहीं होता उस पे। ये जो भी एजेंसीज है 4 आदमी, 5 आदमी, 20 आदमी, 25 आदमी, 100 लोगों पे, 1000 लोगों पे, 2000 लोगों पे सर्वे करके भेज देती है। हमारा जो फीडबैक है वो पोलिंग बूथ के हिसाब से है, तो हमें पूरा भरोसा है, हम सरकार बनाएंगे।
चलिए, धन्यवाद आपका प्रमोद तिवारी जी हमसे बात करने के लिए। सो बोथ रिएक्शंस कमिंग इन फ्रॉम द बीजेपी एंड फ्रॉम द कांग्रेस साइड. कांग्रेस पार्टी has been clarifying, saying that this is a well thought out plan and decision by the Congress, as they do not wish to indulge in speculation or slugfest. The BJP is saying that it means the Congress party has already conceded defeat.